Like, girl, you might as well subscribe. You already here. Go ahead and click that subscribe button before you even get into this video, before you leave this video.
So I stop and I don't go, 'cause there's things that you don't show, and I just need to know. Do you ever start to think of me? Do you really wanna love me bad? Do you feel like you could be my man? Do you feel like, do you feel like, do you feel like this was meant to be? Do you really wanna have my back? Do you ever tell it straight like that? Do you feel like, do you feel like?
Let me get my hair out of the way first before I start anything. I am not trying to get makeup in my hair. Got time for that, y'all. So let me move this real quick. I think I'm going to take the color Innocent right here, and I'm gonna use that as my transition shade just to start this look off, so we can see where we're gonna go from there. I kind of feel weird talking through videos, like when I'm doing makeup and stuff. That's why I usually do voiceovers when I do make my videos, because it's like the next color I'm going to be using is a color called Whimsy, and I'm going to use that right on top of where I just put all of the first transition shade. And it's kind of like a burnt orange color, and I'm going to place this a little bit further down, like towards my lid. So now I'm taking an even slimmer blending brush, and I'm going to use this to pat the color Drama. I'm using the same palette. I'm still on the same palette, y'all. I haven't switched yet. I'm going to use the color Drama and put this into my crease and blend this out just to give me a little bit more of a defined look on my lids. The color Mod, and I'm going to use that on a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to use this and pack this onto my lid. And for under my waterline, I want to use the colors Drama and Mod, which is the red and the dark burgundy that I use on top of my lid. And I'm going to use that at the bottom just to open my eyes up a little bit more. For my brow bone, I'm going to be using Tarte's Rainforest of the Sea, and I'm going to be using the color Sunset. It's a really pretty gold, and I'm going to use this, you know, just to add a little something something. And then just to add like a little pizzazz to this look, I'm going to be adding Urban Decay's Heavy Metal Glitter on, you know, I'm just adding it kind of randomly on my lid. I'm gonna see where it goes. So now I'm going to just add on some L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara to my lashes to prep them for my false lashes. So now we're going to get into my skin. First, before I do any of that, I'm going to prime my skin with the Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. I'm going to be using my CoverGirl True Match Foundation in the color M5. I'm gonna just take a Real Techniques sponge and just dab that into my skin. And then I'm also going to take my Maybelline concealer, and this is in the color Light. And I'm going to just conceal all the normal places that I usually conceal. And then to set all of that, you guys already know I'm going to be using my favorite setting powder, which is the Airspun setting powder in the color Translucent. I'm just going to take that on a fluffy brush. I'm not going to put it into my skin with the Beauty Blender or anything, just because I like the way it looks now more when I do it with the brush than, you know, when I do it with a sponge or a Beauty Blender. I know I look kind of light right now. I know I look kind of light right now, but we're going to take care of all of that with some contouring powder. And I'm going to put this, you know, in the same spots that I always contour. And then right after I'm done doing that, I just go ahead and dust away any of the excess powder from the setting powder that might just be still sitting on my skin. I don't change brushes or anything. I feel like when I do it like this, it just helps everything to blend in all together, considering I'm using the same brush that I used for the contouring. So yeah. Then I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution Oil Control Fix setting spray and just set all of that into place real quick. Is cold. For my lips, at first I originally was going to do a dark lip, but the dark lips that I have, I don't really like them. Like, most of them are glosses, and I don't even really like wearing colored glosses anymore. And the ones that are lipsticks are just not the right tone that I had in mind for this look, so I'm going to have to keep it a nude look. So I'm going to go in with this nude lipstick by Makeup Revolution, and it is called Expose. And I'm going to use this on my lips first. Then I'm going to take another nude lipstick by Kiss, and it's like a darker shade. It's more like a brown-ish shade, and I'm going to use this right on top of that just to kind of tone it down because it is a little bit light for me. Then last but not least, I'm going to go into my Urban Decay Vice palette, the lipstick Vice palette, and I'm going to take the color, Blackmail, and I'm going to use it just to slightly line my lips to add a tiny, teeny bit of color. And for highlighter, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution highlighter in the color Goddess of Faith, and I'm going to use this to highlight my normal spots that I usually highlight. Then I'm also going to take some Tarte blush, and this is in the color Party, and I'm going to use this just to, you know, give my cheeks a little bit of color. And that is it for this tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed my version of a holiday look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you are not already subscribed, and I will see y'all on my next video.